So when you get done with your makeup should look just like this, you guys. Really nice, really flawless. Happy Labor Day. Like, this is like the end of summer. This is the last holiday for this summer, you guys. So hope you're able to enjoy it with your friends and your family. That is so... I'm actually going out tonight. So I'm actually going to get dolled up and glammed up, and I'm going to hit the town here in Los Angeles. So as my normal ritual routine, I always wash my face with my black soap. I also, like I told you guys, the Clearasil wipes, like they work like wonder. Like it's just fluid with my eyebrows. I'm just right now using my eyebrow brush. I'm literally just brushing my eyebrows into my shape that I normally would brush them. Again, everyone has their palette. By Maybelline. I'm only going to use the color black in this one, and that's going to be for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to lightly shade in.
You're defining the shape of your brow. Lightly shading it in.
Okay, guys. So once you have your eyebrows shaded in, we're actually going to conceal the eyebrow. I've already concealed one just to kind of give you guys an idea. Don't worry about the excess here. We're going to blend it into our skin before we actually put our makeup on. So it's going to act as if like a second concealer that on our face to kind of give us extra protection. I'm actually using my M.A.C NC45 as Studio Finish concealer. I love this concealer. It's like so bomb, and actually you guys, it's pretty much gone. I'm going to have to go tomorrow to buy me some more. So what I'm going to do and how I do my brows is I actually like to start out in the outer corner. So once you have your concealer all in, we're now going to take our brush. Oh my gosh, something is... Okay guys, so once you have your brows done, all of your brows done, we're going to take our foundation brush. This is actually a flathead like foundation brush. And I use it a lot of the times when I am putting on my makeup. So we're just going to actually just blend in the makeup that we did. Okay, so once we have it, we've blended in our concealer from our eyebrows. Your eyebrows should look like this. Perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, so we're going to go in and we're actually going to conceal. We're going to cover our dark circles because these dark circles are just hideous. Any spots or dark circles, we're just going to... Beauty Blender by e.l.f. And we're going to blend in this concealer. And you guys, I like to use multiple concealers just because when I'm tired, I have dark circles. I feel like everybody has dark circles, but you know, dark circles on a darker skin person can look so ugh because it's dark, but on a lighter skin person, it'll be like a little red. But for us, it's like, I don't want that on my circles. I mean, dark circle under my eyes. And I'm just gonna cover, again, we're covering up any spots that's on our face before we put on our foundation. Once we're done with that, we're actually going to take our brush. I have my small stipple brush. This is my foundation brush. I actually like using this one better than the flathead brush to actually add on to my concealer. So we're going to use this brush here. We're going to use our Riri matte. You guys, when you're using this makeup, make sure you're blending it in well because it dries so quickly. You literally have to brush it on your face so fast. That's how quickly it dries. Oh, actually, you guys, before we put this foundation on, we're going to use a loose powder. So sorry. We're going to use a loose powder to put on because I have oily skin. And I want to make sure that I have a flawless look. So I'm actually going to use, I'm going to show you guys. Here. I'm actually going to use the e.l.f. Loose White Powder by e.l.f. I'm going to use this little thing here that came with it, and then we're just literally going to take some of this powder and put it on the places where it's like would be oily for me. This should help with the oily skin, and again giving you a nice flawless matte look since we are using a matte makeup. Okay guys, so once you have the first coat of your matte concealer, we're going to use this Kat Von D setting spray. This is actually the night like for a nighttime if you're going out, setting spray. So it's going to last you all night, and your face should be not oily, should be like just like you put it on. I'm going to go crazy with that. I just love it. We're going to let that sit and dry, you guys. And since today I'm actually going along and I'm actually doing a full-blown makeup, like a glam look, we're going to be using a couple of fun palettes. Once that dries up, you guys, we're going to go in one more time with our foundation, just so we can. So you guys, now I'm actually going to add on, I'm going to start actually adding on my palettes for my, I have my palettes out actually for my eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to use, again, M.A.C. Sorry, you guys, they're a little dirty. I have my makeup all over the place. This palette is going to be Burgundy Times. It's a great palette. It's actually more fall-like colors, or more neutral colors, in which I like. Not so neutral, but you know, they're more neutral, and I actually like the neutral color tones. They look good on my skin tone. So this is the perfect palette for summer, or you can transition it into fall and winter too. It's perfect. Then I also have my Nudes by Maybelline. I am going to use this palette because some of the colors on here are great. And I like them. So what I'm going to start off by doing first, I'm actually going to use this little brush here. I need to actually invest in me another brush. I'm going to take a lighter color. I'm going to do this color right here. It's like a peachy tone. This peachy tone color here. And I'm just going to create a base for my shadow. When you're doing any shadow or any makeup, sure you have the lightest color on the burst before you start adding anything else. This is going to set your shadow out and give it, you know, a nice bold look. Okay, so once you're done with that color, we're actually going to move along to our M.A.C shades. I'm actually going to use today, I'm going to go in with this color here. It's like a mauve pink, but I love it. It looks so good on my skin tone. So I'm going to go in with that color first. Then we're going to move it along. I'm going to do some burgundies today, you guys. We're going to move it along. I'm actually going to take this shade right here. It's like it's not a burgundy, but it's like more of a deepish purple. I guess we can call it burgundy. So we're going to take this burgundy color right here, and we're going to apply it to our eyelid. I like this color. It's really bold. Like I said, I just love fall colors, fall tones. And you guys, we're just going to add it to our eyelid. So once you have your first set of your first shadow on, which is more of a darker tone, you guys, it's more of like a burgundy, purple burgundy color, we're going to go in with our second color. I like to do a little bit of a mixture when I do this. So I'm actually going to use this little bit of this lighter pink right here. And I'm going to go just like on my lid here. So I'm going to close your eyes, and we're just going to put just a layer. Next, we're going to take a copper color because we want to get up here, but we want it to blend very well. We want it to look really, really nice. So I'm going to take this copper here. This is my favorite color. And we're just going to kind of go up over near our brow. Okay guys, so once you have your makeup on, I actually went in with my copper color. I actually took this other lighter pink shade here and went up under my eye. Okay, so we're done with that palette for now. We're gonna be done with that palette. We're gonna move it along because we want to highlight that eye up there. So I'm actually going to take my Milani bronzer here. Got this from Target as well. It's called Strobe Light. It is glowing. It's the color. Super pretty. Just is gorgeous, you guys. And we're going to create a highlight. And again, you guys, we're just blending it into. Go in and we're going to add like a lighter color up under our brow to give us a nice highlight. So what color I'm actually going to use? I'm actually going to use this lighter color here. It's more like of a creamy color, and I'm just going to go in, and then that gives you the effect of actually just blending all the rest of your makeup all in together. So it'll all just on because we want a nice highlight to our under brow. So it's going to set the tone for your makeup. Okay, so once you have that on there, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my Milani, my strobe light, and I'm actually gonna take my brush here. We're just gonna call this our eyeshadow brush. I just love it. So we're gonna take our eyeshadow brush and we're just going to lightly just pat on this highlight, you guys. A little goes a long way. So the next thing that I like to do is I like to use mascara because I am going to put on lashes. So I'm going to just, before I forget, just kind of under eye. Now I'm going to take my brush, that same eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take this color pink here. And I'm going to put it like under my eyes, you guys. Just a little bit. I'm doing that. I'm actually going to take my mascara once again. A little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. So now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do our highlight right now. I'm actually going to use my Tarte, My Party. I love this color. It's really good on my skin tone. You can purchase this from Sephora. They have all kind of different shades. And actually, you guys, I'm running a little low. So it's going to be time for me to go back to get more. And I'm just going to highlight my cheeks in this cake. I have a contour palette again. It's by Black Radiance. It's like through the Milani company. And I'm actually going to take this color right here, that highlight there, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. A little goes a long way with this, you guys. I wouldn't sit and put. Next, I'm going to go back through with my Milani, my strobe light. Just a little strobe. So give me that nice thing. Now, I'm actually going to take my stipple brush because I want to kind of go a little bit where maybe your concealer is kind of left out. And spray Kat Von D on my face, you guys. Okay. Next, we're going to add our lashes now. Okay, so once you have your lashes on, I'm going to take my Falsy mascara and we're going to brush our bottom lashes. Then after that, we're going to take our brush here and we're going to highlight our nose. And then we're gonna go, I'm gonna have this play foil. It's from NYX. I got it from Target, you guys. I wanna say it was about $7. We're gonna take our eyeshadow brush again. And we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit into the black little lid. And we're just gonna go upward on our eye. Yeah, a little bit of life there. If you get almost done, you guys, I'm going to take my very sexy shimmer loose shimmer powder. I'm actually going to highlight my cheeks just a little more. And literally, all right guys, so next I'm going to do a nice little nude lip. I feel like nude would be perfect with this. I actually have a Marc Jacobs just nude color lip liner, and then I have a Marc Jacobs so these are like travel sizes. You guys can purchase this from Sephora, just nude lip gloss. And so, lipstick. I'm actually going to add my lip first to like blend it in a little, because this color is so light. It's perfect for my skin tone, but it's so light. And then we're going to take the lipstick. I have my nude lip there. Nice highlight. I did a little contouring around the head there. Yeah, it's a nice glam. Go out, look. I hope you guys enjoy my channel. Make sure to follow me. Not follow me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see videos, definitely subscribe. There's more to come, even better. I have a lot of things planned. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Kiss me with your eyes